Hello everybody, let us see the speed control of DC shunt motor. In the speed control of DC shunt motor, it contains need of speed control, type of solid state speed control in DC drive system, construction, operation and applications. Before, let us see speed control of DC shunt motor. The speed of shunt motor can be changed by flux control method, armature control method, voltage control method. The first method is flux control method is frequently used because it is simple and inexpensive. Let's see flux control method. This flux control method is very essential method and also important. It's based on the fact that by varying the flux Fs, the motor speed can be changed, and hence the name flux control method. The solid state speed control has two classification, which is phase controlled or rectifier fed DC drive system. Second one is chopper fed DC drive system. Both classification consist of power converters. The power converters, say static converter is power electronic converters that can conversion of electric power from one to another, which is called a solid state speed control system. Solid state speed control having the phase control rectifier are broadly classified into single phase control rectifier and three phase control rectifier. These controllers further divided into half wave control rectifier, semi control rectifier, fully wave control rectifier. This is classification of solid state drive system. This classification says beginning is half-wave control rectifier fed DC series motor. This half-wave controlled DC series motor having some economic solid state switches. At the end of positive half cycle, the thyristor current falls and the supply voltage reverses. This applies reverse bias across the thyristor and turns it off rapidly. The angle by which the thyristor retards and starting of conduction is known as delay angle or firing angle. If the alpha is varied from 0 to pi, it reduces the average DC output voltage from maximum to 0. The process is known as phase commutation. This is a half-wave control rectifier fed DC series motor output voltage current waveform. It's simply the firing or gate control circuit of thyristor. The series motors are capable of high starting torque and constant power operation at all speeds. They are used in electric traction, cranes, hoist, lift, etc. The voltage and current waveforms of a series motor fed half control rectifier, which mean V0 equal to 1 by T integration of alpha to beta Vi d omega T is equal to Vm by 2 pi cos alpha minus cos beta, which is conclusion of this voltage equation. It has some advantages and disadvantages. According that, cost is low because only one thyristor is employed, which is advantages of half-wave control. Construction is simple. Disadvantages are only one current operation and regeneration is not possible. The motor current always discontinuous, low average current, torque developed is very small, speed regulation is very poor. Next have to be C, a single phase semi controlled rectifier fed DC series motor.